Last year, out of 3.17 lakhs waiting for organ transplant, only 18,000 got it, just 3.2%. Compared with the whole population, in India it is zero point 0.8 per million against global 8.67 per million. The number of disease donors in India is much less than in US, UK or Spain. Government of India is doing a lot to improve this. Over a decade, the transplant number has increased up to 4 times. But the diseased organ donor rate remains more or less same. In the year 2023, Tamil Nadu leading in the number of diseased organ transplants compared with other states. When it comes to living donors, females outnumber males. But in diseased donors, males predominate. Among the human organs, the number of kidney transplants is way ahead, followed by liver, heart, lungs, pancreas, and small intestine. Increased demand for organs due to increased population, better healthcare, extremes of age for transplant, easy registration, and availability of technology. The legal framework in India, disease organ donation became legal in 1994. It got more inclusive in 2011. National organ transplant program started. Under this, national, regional and state-wise transplant organizations were made. As of now, Indian law allows only beating heart donors. Once brain death confirmed, intensivist alerts the transplant coordinator, who then speaks with the family members and get consent for organ donation. Transplant coordinator informs the hospital authority, also to Noto, Roto and Soto. They then assign recipients as per the waiting list. Organ retrieval team and recipients prepared accordingly. For example, when a patient with severe brain injury deteriorates and brain death confirmed, then his organs can save 8 lives. Other parts of his body can be used in up to 37 persons. Whereas a living donor can donate only 3 organs, part of liver, pancreas and 1 kidney. If the diseased donor is not managed properly, in up to 20% cases, organs go into waste. Needs multidisciplinary approach. Role of intensivist. It's a race against time. Guidelines are there to help. A lot of pathophysiological changes occur due to brain death, and the main objectives are to manage them so that organ injuries are minimized. Donor's fitness is checked with panel of blood test, X-ray, ultrasound, echo. For optimal organ protection, all these targets needs to be maintained. A simplified rule of 100 is also there. General supportive care, like any other ventilated patient in ICU. Invasive lines like central line, arterial line are placed, and monitors like pulse oximetry, end-tidal carbon dioxide monitor and temperature probe are connected to multi-panel monitor for continuous monitoring. Urine output needs to be checked closely as they land in diabetes insipidus. If hemodynamically stable, then desmopressin nasal spray, otherwise vasopressin infusion. IV fluid. Preferred one is isotonic crystalloid. like ringer lactate or plasma light or half NS. Fluid challenge is given by looking at the pulse pressure variation. If it is more than 15, then 20 to 30 ml per kg of fluid bolus can be given. To maintain hemodynamics along with fluid, noradrenaline started. If increased dose required, then vasopressin to be added. Dovitamin in cases of stress cardiomyopathy. In refractory cases, methylprednisolone supplementation done. Role of thyroxine doubtful but can be given. Insulin infusion to keep blood glucose 80 to 150 milligrams. Arrhythmias are common, but bradycardia, it doesn't respond to atropine. Only directly acting agents like adrenaline or isoprenaline to be used. Coming to ventilatory management, lung protective, low stretch ventilation is preferred. Enteral feeding needs to be continued. If required, blood transfusion to keep hematocrit more than 30%. Is there any money charged for organ donation? No. Does organ removal disfigure the body? No. Appearance of the body is not altered. Donor or recipient's family ever know each other? No. What is the time of death? It's end of second apnea test. Yes, it can be done online at the NOTO website. All religions support organ donation, the gift of life.